Hey, I'm Ryan, the founder of Rise Plugins. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add a really cool count up animation on your Showit website. You don't need to know any code. I provide all the code needed for this tutorial. The first thing that you're going to need to do is actually design the section that you want the count up animation to display on. Next, we need to edit some of the text boxes. So you can see here, I have a text box with 500 plus. I want this 500 to count up. So I'm going to click on the text box and then I'm going to hold Option on my keyboard and double click this text box. It's going to bring up a code editor specifically for this text. And the first thing is I need to add some HTML before the number. So you can see that this adds a span with a specific class and a data target. You need to change the data target number to whatever number you want to count up to. So we're going to add 500 to our data target because we actually want this number to count up to 500. And we're actually going to change 500 to 0 in the actual text because we want the count up animation to start at 0 and then end at 500. Now we need to close the span tag. So we're going to add a closing span tag there, and you'll need to add this after the number. So after the 0, but before the plus sign, if you choose to do a plus sign or anything like that. Okay. So let's hit save, and you'll see on the front end to Showit, it looks like this. Let's go ahead and do that to this number as well. So let's double click while holding Option. And this one has a $ before the number. So we want to go right after the $ and right before the 150,000 and paste our span tag. Again, we're going to change the data target to 150,000 with no commas. It will automatically add a comma in our code if we use a number that is greater than 999. So again, we're going to update the 150,000 in our text to 0, and then we're going to add our closing span tag. So again, we have a $, then our span tag with the data target, 0, and then another closing span tag. Let's hit save and do the last one here. Add our span tag, update our data target to 100, and then close out our span tag right before the percentage sign. Let's hit save. Oh, we forgot to update the actual 100 to be 0. Let's hit save again. Awesome. So now we're set up. The next thing we need to do is add some JavaScript that has already been written out for you to your Showit page. So to do this, all you need to do is click on the page title. Then you need to click on inline JavaScript, which can be found under advanced settings, and paste the JavaScript that is found in the blog post. Hit save and then hit preview. And let's check out the page and see if it works. So we scroll down, you can see the numbers are counting up. Perfect, just like that. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Bye.